So many people think that the important things about selling a home is the size and how many bedrooms and bathrooms there are. Well, there's also some additional things to think about as a seller that are just as important and may be of interest to a buyer. Hey friends, I'm Melissa Branson with Chamberlain Realty, and I've been selling real estate right here in the OKC metro area for 9 years now. And I can't tell you how many times I've been with a buyer and they never even mentioned the size or bedroom count. I mean, don't get me wrong. Obviously, they have 3 kids and are hoping to get a 4-bedroom home. But more often than not, they tell me how important the neighborhood is or how they want to be in a certain school district. You know, maybe they're looking for a neighborhood with lots of children or close enough for their kids to walk to school. And you won't believe how many people are looking for a community that they can be involved in with more outdoor activities. My point is that there are so many aspects when selling a home that can add to its potential value to a buyer, and they need to be marketed and showcased. These things are just as important as upgrades. You know, all of these factors when marketing a property can assist in selling in a more timely manner and for a way higher price. So properly marketing and exposing these key essential features are super important. You know, one of the things that I do is to get you, the seller, involved. I want to know about all the amenities as well as everything around the home that you appreciate. You know, all of this aids in our marketing efforts so that I can maximize the value of the home and target those essential amenities to the buyers who are truly interested in those things. So, you know, there's a lot that goes into this, and the more that we can act as a team, the more benefit that you'll actually see. I mean, teamwork makes the dream work, right? You know, I'm excited to help you in all areas of real estate. So don't forget to check out my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube pages for more great tips and tricks and guides. And as always, I would love to serve you. I'm Melissa Branson with Chamberlain Realty, making home dreams a reality. Let me guide you home.